we understood body parts and punches. So this is basically for beginners, okay, those who have just started taekwondo, and they should know basic body parts and basic punches, blocks. Now a block, what is a block? When someone hits you and you defend yourself, that action is known as block, right? If someone hits me on my face and if I block it, so this is basically what I did, I blocked it, okay? So block is basically nothing but it's an attack, okay? So if someone hits me with this force, I can't block it this way. I need force and speed to block that, to deviate this punch, right? So again, that is what we call block. So this portion, when someone hits you on this algul, you block it and it goes upward. So if a punch is coming this way, it will deviate it upper, like it will go upward. Okay, you will not block it this way. If a layman is there, they may, or he or she may block it this way, but a professional athlete, a taekwondo athlete will block it this way because this is the practice. If someone hits you here, you block it upward. So now what do you call this? Block. Okay, so this block, I will show you sideways. Punch is coming, I block it upward. So in this, your fist is facing outward, your wrist always remains straight. Either you punch, it remains straight, or you block, it will be the same line. Okay, so this, there is a distance of one raised fist. This, it should not touch your forehead. There is a distance of one raised fist. This, okay. Now this, your fist, it should be in the line of your ear. It should not go out or this way. It should be in the line of your ear. Okay? You should never block your vision this way. कभी आप अपनी आँखों को block नहीं करेंगे. Block. Okay? So you just block this. So this is what we call oleomakki. Makki means block. Okay? We write it as M-A-K-G-I, but the pronunciation is makki. Okay? This is oleomakki. Okay? Earlier it was algul makki. अभी भी कुछ लोग इसको algul makki बोलते हैं, but the correct name or the updated name is oleomakki. Okay? So basics, it should be in the line of your ear, one fist distance. Do not bend your wrist. Okay? And now the fourth thing, how you change it? How you change it? Okay, it is bit slant, left arm. It is bit slant. So when you change, it comes down this way. Okay, जो फिस्ट बाहर की तरफ था वो अंदर की तरफ आया. जो हाथ आपका कमर पे था वो हाथ ये this. Now the arm which is going upward, okay, it will come from this way, बाहर से. Okay, and where do you cross it? At this level, solar plex. This, look at this. Solar plex के लेवल पे आप दोनों हाथों को क्रॉस करेंगे. Okay, you will not cross it here. You will not cross it here, but you will cross it at this level, solar plex. एक साथ, ये ऊपर ये नीचे एक साथ. ये नहीं ये ऊपर गया और ये नीचे आ रहा है. Okay, so this is how you cross. One. Now this, look at this. You cross it at this level. एक साथ. Okay. So this is what we call oleomakki. Now someone hits you in this portion. Punch. Okay. So this is my right side. So we divide it into two parts, right and left. When someone hits me on my right side, I will block with my right arm. When someone hits me on my left part, I will block with my left arm. Okay. I will not cross it. अगर मुझे कोई यहाँ मारेगा तो I will not cross it this way, but I will use this to block. So that this portion is ready to attack, counter attack. In Taekwondo, always if you have seen, आपका एक फिस्ट हमेशा आपकी कमर पे for counter attack. Okay? आपने एक से ब्लॉक किया, दूसरे से पंच, फिर ये हाथ इधर. आप देखेंगे ध्यान से तो हमेशा एक हाथ कमर पे आपके काउंटर अटैक के लिए. When someone hits you here, what to do? Now we have this middle block. Okay? Which is from in to out. Okay, in to out. Now what do you call this? Mom thong. This is mom thong. Okay. now in to out movement, this is in to out, ये बाहर जा रहा है. So in to out movement is known as bucket. Bucket, B-A-K-K-A-T, bucket. So this is Momthon, bucket, and block is Makki. So Momthon, bucket, Makki. Okay, Momthon, bucket, Makki. Now I will tell you all the basics of this. Okay, I will show you sideways. So this arm, it is at the height of your solar plex at this level. Okay, solar plex. Now it comes from your armpit. आपके armpit के अंदर से ये आ रहा है ब्लॉक करने. आप ब्लॉक कहाँ से करेंगे? फोरआर्म से. You use this portion to block. Okay, not this. This portion to block. Okay, so it comes from this way. It goes out. Okay, now where? At the height of your shoulder. In the line of your shoulder. If you look at this, it should not go out, in, up, down. आपके shoulder की height पर. Okay, and there is an angle. जिनको angle पता है? Okay, there is an angle of 110 degrees. यहाँ पे एक एंगल है 110 डिग्रीज का, so that ये हाथ आपको हिट नहीं करे. अगर आप इसको काफी क्लोज रखेंगे, कोई आपको हिट करेगा तो इट विल हिट यू. ओके, लुक एट दिस. अगर ये क्लोज है आपको हिट करेगा, बट इफ यू कीप इट एट अ डिस्टेंस इट वोंट हिट यू. ये आपकी तरफ पहुंचेगा ही नहीं. ओके, सो देयर इज एन एंगल ऑफ 110 डिग्रीज. सो इन टू आउट, Momthon, bucket, Makki. Okay, now how we change it? I will just show you this, and then it goes straight, and then from here it comes, and then this. Again it goes straight, it comes from here, and then this. Okay, so this way we block. Momthon, bucket, Makki. Now same, out to in. That was in to out. Now out to in. Okay, so out to in is Momthon, Makki. So there is a word. Out to in movement is un. A-N, un. Un means inward. This was outward. This is inward. Okay, how you do it? This is Momthon, un-Makki. Same way, आपकी shoulder की line पे 110 degrees, wrist straight. Okay, same. This portion you block it. But how to do it? Same at the height of the solar plex. Now this arm, this जो पहले यहाँ से आ रहा था, अभी ये बाहर से आएगा. आपके शोल्डर से एक फिस्ट ऊपर, जितना बड़ा आपका फिस्ट है, यहाँ से उतनी हाइट बाहर. ओके, अगर आप देख सकते हैं, दिस इज नॉट इन द लाइन, बट ये थोड़ा पीछे है, सो दैट यू कैन जनरेट फोर्स. ओके, टू जनरेट फोर्स, अगेन स्ट्रेट आउट एंड इन, अगेन स्ट्रेट आउट एंड इन. ओके, so this is Momthon, un-Makki. Again to block when someone attacks you in this portion. Okay, now fourth block, to lower, to block your lower attack. Okay, अगर आपके इसके नीचे कोई अटैक करेगा, आप यहाँ से ब्लॉक नहीं कर पाएंगे. अनप्रोफेशनल एथलीट या जो लेमैन है वो कैसे भी ब्लॉक करते हैं, लेकिन आपने सीखा है अपर दिस वे, मिडिल दिस वे, नाउ लोअर. इसके नीचे कोई मारेगा तो कैसे आप ब्लॉक करेंगे? सो दिस इज द लोअर ब्लॉक. लुक एट दिस लोअर ब्लॉक. जब भी कोई लोअर एब्स में इसके नीचे अटैक करता है, आप ये ब्लॉक करते हैं. राइट, नाउ दिस इज आरे एंड ब्लॉक इज मक्की. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल आरे मक्की. ओके, आरे मक्की. और देयर इज अ टर्म नेरियो. आप सबको याद नहीं होगा, देयर इज नो इशू विद दैट. ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू ओवरव्यू. दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल नेरियो. नेरियो मीन्स अ मूवमेंट विच कम्स फ्रॉम अप टू डाउन. सो इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अप टू डाउन. सो दिस इज नेरियो. तो इसका पूरा नाम है आरे नेरियो मक्की. आरे नेरियो मक्की. ओके, एंड इफ यू से आरे मक्की, दैट इज फाइन एज वेल. Fine. So how it comes? You keep it parallel to your neck. It should not touch your shoulder. It should not touch your neck. Parallel to your neck. And this other arm, it comes this way. Okay. Now it goes down straight. I'll show you sideways, just in front of your thighs, and distance is 1 and 2 fist. Raise 2 fist. ये इसको हम बोलते हैं raised fist. So 1 and 2. Okay? So this block हमेशा आपकी thighs के सामने. Okay? Center में नहीं, thighs के सामने. So how you change it? This. कमर पे जो हाथ है ये ऊपर गया, ये हाथ नीचे आया and straight. फिर ये ऊपर गया, फिर ये नीचे आया straight. Again ऊपर, down, up, down. Okay, we will practice it. याद हो जाएगा. So these are 4 basic blocks. So 3 basic punches, 4 basic blocks.